Hey there, my name is Leo Rona. I wanted to reach out to you today, kind of introduce myself and my company to you. I am in website development and SEO. I am the owner of Hopkins County SEO right here in Madisonville, Kentucky. And like I said, I wanted to reach out today and introduce myself to you and introduce you to my company. What if I was to tell you that I could get you more customers to your business and drive more traffic? Would that be something that you'd be interested in? SEO is search engine optimization, and what it does is it gets your business listed on Google and outranks others. And in 2018, Google did statistics on their search volume, and it shows that 75% of Americans are using Google every single day. 67% of those are not even going to the second page. That is how important it is to be on the first page for your business. I'm going to do a little comparison here. I was actually searching HVAC in Madisonville, Kentucky, and this is what popped up. As you see, Hopkins County Heating and Air is number one, and you're not even listed on the top 5, but you are 7. So in the rankings, but not up top where you need to be. Here is your website here. I'm sure you're familiar with this. Advanced Air, I love that logo. I love the logo. But going through your site here, I see that is lacking content. You know, it's kind of bare, which is not a bad thing because it just gives us room to play. It gives us room to add things on here and really spice up your site. What we're looking for on these home pages is about 1,500 to 2,000 words. That is your content. If you take a look over here real quick at Hopkins County Heating and Air, their homepage is, I'm not a fan of it, really. I'm just not a fan of it. But there's no content on here. There's nothing on here that makes me think that we cannot beat these people out. Their homepage is nowhere near 1,500 words on there. They've got a couple pages, but there's just not a lot going on their pages. And when you actually dig down into these, it's kind of spammy to me. It's just, I mean, it's not a lot. It's just, I feel like they're just trying to have extra sub pages going on here. There's no really keyword. There's no bolding. There's no interlinking in here. You know, and those are things that we can do to help drive your business up further on the Google search. Now, what I'm going to do here is actually go into one of these tools that I use. And it is Ahrefs, and I've got U punched in right here, UR and DR, okay? Now this is the trust of your site, and this is 11 out of 100. DR is at a 2.9, and that's kind of how popular your site is. Now if we look at your competitors right here, they was 11, and let's see, U was 11 and 2.9. And then let's go over here to Hopkins County Heating and Air and see what theirs is. Sorry, I was looking at some other things on here just a second ago. Let me get back in here. Okay, so again, your trust is 11, your popularity is 2.9, and we'll let Hopkins County Heating and Air load up over here, and we'll see what theirs is. The reason for this is to kind of show you where you're at and why you are where you're at. So you're 11, they are 15, they are 0.2, and you're 2.9. So you're actually more popular than them. That's awesome. Now they have 83 backlinks versus your 33, and then they have 14 organic keywords, which is not a lot at all, versus 6. Okay. We can put these keywords into your content. That way when Google crawls these sites, they're going to ping those keywords and push that up for the person that's searching it. So if someone's searching HVAC Madisonville, Kentucky, for example, and we put those keywords in your content, Google would crawl your site, identify that those words are there, and then push it up there for the customer to see. And that's my whole goal. My whole goal is to try to get you to climb the ranks in Google because, like I said, if you're not in that top map pack or the top list on the first page, almost 70% of searchers are not even going to the second page. Usually if people search, if they can't get what they need on the first page, they try something else, or they just go with the options that's there. Because the first ones on the page, normally what people believe is that's the most trusted site. But I'm showing you now that we can beat these sites. We can beat these sites and outrank them. The Ahrefs tool is really awesome. Now what it does, it shows the 83 backlinks that they have, the 66 backlinks right here. It shows what the backlinks are. And all this is their link, their URL is on another site that links back to them. As you can see here, Yellow Pages, that's a citation. Now, citation is another thing that I help you rank for. That is NAP, name, address, phone number. We get on Yellow Pages, Yelp, Yext, things like that, White Pages. The more your business is out there, the more citations you have is another factor that Google takes in to drive your site above others. Like I said, we can go here on these backlinks where they got theirs, and we could try to get those too. Now, we don't want to just beat these people. We want to beat these people. We want to outrank them so far to the point that they don't even want to try to come back. So my goal is, if they've got 500 words, I want to do 1,500 words in your content. If they've got 10 pictures, I want to do 25 pictures. If they've got 10 citations, I want to do 100 for you. And all that's going to do in time is Google's going to crawl these sites, and they're going to help rank them higher to the top of the list. Now, like I said, me and my team, we specialize in SEO, search engine optimization, website design, Google business page, things like that. You can actually take these things that I actually showed you and apply it to your website yourself, and you will see results. If that's something that you're not comfortable doing and you'd rather hire an expert, I'm definitely willing to work with you. Sit down on a phone call. We'll do a 10, 15-minute deep dive phone call so I can see exactly what you want out of your business, what you're trying to do, what is going to benefit you more money, more customers, getting your name out there, getting a more efficient website built. Whatever you need, I can meet your demands. My name is Leo Arona again. My contact is 270-841-3600. My email is hopkinscountyseo@gmail.com. You can reach out to me anytime, day or night, and I will be able to schedule a call for you, and we can actually have a time where we can sit, talk on the phone, and you can tell me everything that you want out of your company, and I can tell you what I can do to help you get there. What I'll do is take a look at your competition, your further competition. You know, I like to look at about the top 3, see why they're outranking you. And if I think that we can outrank these competitors, I'll work with you. But if I don't think I can do it, I will let you know. I won't leave you hanging. I will not send you false hope. My goal is to work with you and to get you more customers, to get you more business, to get you ranking higher. And at the end of the day, that helps your business, and that's all I want to do. That's why I'm shooting a free screencast for you and showing you the things that you can do to improve your site yourself. And again, if you don't want to do it or you don't have time to do it, that's what I'm here for. Not only can we build and rebuild websites, but we specialize in ranking those websites. So again, thanks for taking the time to watch this video today. My name is Leo Arona. You can reach out to me at 270-841-3600 or hopkinscountyseo@gmail.com. You all have a good night. Thank you.